Welcome back, FLR community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And in this video, you're going to actually see behind the scenes how it is to redeem a physical NFT on the FLR Drops platform. Now, some of you may have already heard about this. It's actually ended now, but there was a alpha test sticker pack available for those who participated in this raffle on the Cost and Test network. 30 real-life stickers waiting to be distributed. Now, I actually went through the process of buying these raffle tickets, and I managed to accumulate quite a few, and unfortunately, I didn't manage to claim a winning ticket. And this whole process is actually based on the Clover protocol. It's a new novel concept developed by FLR Finance themselves, and it's a way for people to participate and have a chance of winning high-value items by a raffle distribution method. It's basically the process of buying these raffle tickets, and then eventually they will be redeemed and you may be able to reveal a winning ticket if you're lucky. Now, that wasn't the case for me, but fortunately I was approached by Wooher on Discord, and he was kind enough to donate me a winning ticket. So I'm able to go through this walkthrough process and show you exactly how it works because of him. So thank you, Wooher, very much appreciated. So the actual redemption process is done by something called the Ermis protocol, another novel protocol developed by FLR Finance, and it allows you to redeem and share your information. That's where the physical item is actually going to be distributed to on chain, and it remains completely private and just between those who need to know it. That's both you and the seller. We did actually recently talk about this Ermis and Clover protocol in detail with some of the amazing FLR team members in a previous podcast, and I'm going to link that at the top if you haven't yet seen it. So let's jump into the actual redemption process and show you exactly how it works behind the scenes. So here we are on the Coston version of FLR Drops. The first thing that I did was went to my wallet, and this is what my wallet looks like. And if you click at the top here on Owned, you can see that there is a sticker pack, and this is a winning sticker pack. Very fortunate indeed to receive this, and thank you once again to Wooher. So if we scroll down here, and you can see that there are many different options. It shows that I've won in the description, and the first thing that we want to do is click on the 3 lines up here, give it a click, and we want to redeem. So we don't want to burn it, that would be silly. Burning is basically just destroying, so we're going to redeem it, give that a click, and it brings us to this page here, the physical redemptions page. So we just click on the top right here, click back on the NFT, and here we have the option to proceed. So we've first got to authenticate ourselves. And to do that, we need to provide the public key. So click on that and click on provide. Now, obviously you need to share your contact details, and this is how the sticker pack will be delivered to yourself, right? So I'm just going through this form here and filling it in, phone number, name, address, all of that good stuff. So once that's done, all we have to do is click on this at the bottom here and approve this transaction. And finally, we have to submit the data and redeem the actual item. So just waiting for the transaction to go through right now. And there we have it. It has successfully been redeemed. Now, you may notice that there is something at the bottom here, and this is basically, you can consider it as a receipt. So keep this safe just in case anything happens with the delivery or anything like that. Be sure to copy and paste it. You can actually download it if you want in the bottom right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've done this, you have successfully redeemed your physical item, and now you just need to wait for an update, and I believe you can receive updates via this page here. So very interesting indeed. I really hope you enjoyed that walkthrough, and for those of you who don't know, there is going to be more physical items and these raffle concepts coming to Songbird. So this is a tweet recently from FLR Finance, and they are introducing the Golden Collection. It's a series of 18 solid gold Fidgetals made available to the public through a mix of Clover events, auctions, and sales, redeemable on-chain as we just witnessed through the Ermis protocol. And again, this is coming soon to Songbird, so stay tuned for that. I'm highly excited for this, and I hope you are too. So that pretty much sums up this video. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.